welcome back to Our Country. If you are new here, I am Amber.
And I'm Flippin' Mike.
And that's a Flippin' Mike. And we are ready to go to Binny's. You know why? Guess why?
This is restocking day.
They restocked. Well, they were supposed to. So let's hope we're going to find a ton of goodies in here that are going to be some good flips.
Perfect.
Should we go over to the special corner first? Oh, never mind. I guess not. Exit only, enter only. Okay. Ooh, what do we have going on here today? I just recently sold one very similar to that. Who's this guy? I'm digging him. That's cool. Hey, you forgot a cart. Go get a cart. Hampton carrot. Look at those. Check those out. Those are little tiny mini. I don't even know what the right word is for them.
Banners.
Banners, yeah. Yeah, I've sold them before. Those are minis. So before we go any farther in the video, I gotta tell you that we found something amazing. I had no idea what this item was worth. It's definitely a BOLO item, so you're gonna want to stay tuned to see what it is. See anything good up there? I can't see all the way back there. Is that a Ninja Turtles?
Yeah, but it's a newer and it's not in like really good shape.
It's really squished.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're all like kind of squishy. Like got all these dents. So I guess I can be.
I don't know. What do you guys think? What kind of hats do you usually go? I can't talk to the folks when you're talking about your beard. Oh, brother. What do you guys think about hats? I'm still trying to figure out what kind of hats to get.
They gotta be
Let me know.
Uniformed hats.
Xbox, nice. That's Xbox, ain't it?
No.
Yeah. What is it? Oh.
For like an iPhone or something, you just gotta have it's an MX something controller for that phone.
Oh, I'll have to look that one
It's a
up.
wireless controller for a phone.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see what we got going on. I like electronics and toys.
I like electronics too.
Electronic and toys, that's the main, those are my go-to. I like a classical, like whatchamacallit. Now I can't even think. Antique stuff, but it's really got to stick out. Is it a DVR?
No, I think it's a digital tuner.
Oh.
For people who don't have old TVs.
Right. A bunch of acrylic stir dispensers. What does that do?
Oh, maybe like a straw dispenser. Like a stir straw.
That's exactly what those are. That's funny.
For coffee.
Yeah, that's funny. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's so heavy. Why is it gotta be so heavy? I ain't shipping that.
And it's missing 2 pegs.
Yeah, it is. Is that like a tiny grill?
I don't know what that is, but it looks cute.
I think it's cute.
This little bug.
I think it's cute. Oh, there's a sandwich toaster in here. Hamilton Beach sandwich toaster.
You know what that is?
No, I don't.
That is a portable air conditioner.
Nice. I just want a sandwich toaster. It just sounds good. It's not really quite enough for me though.
Okay.
For something that big.
Yeah.
If it had a what?
It's got everything in there. It's like this main component. It's making sure you get this bottle.
Wow, that's the risk we're taking. What's their price on it though? $4.50? Yeah. That's kind of cool. Room and go. Pretend to shave kit. Come with me, kitty.
What is that? A cat leash?
It says, come with me, kitty. It just sounded funny.
It's a PetSmart too.
Mm-hmm.
What does it do? It's just a harness?
It's a leash. Harness and leash.
Oh, it's a harness leash.
Yeah. I know I can get more than $1.70 for it, so. Yeah. Where are they? Bakugan. Huh? Bakugan. Angels. Ooh, the Skylanders. NASCAR. Ooh, Sonic. There's some good ones over here today.
Nice.
We got some NASCAR, some Sonic, some Skylanders. Okay, I'll go this way first, and then I gotta go down by the coffee cups and stuff. I Spy. You remember those books?
Mm-mm.
You don't remember those books?
Mm-mm.
What?
So guys, at the tongue pulling one, Chevy has one of those.
Yeah, he does.
You pull a tongue and they freak out and stuff. He's like a generic Scooby-Doo. Yeah, he kind of looks like him, but he's not him.
No. Look at his eyes.
Yeah, he's a... I think that bear needs to go to rehab. See if I can find a match turkey body over here.
Didn't see any unopened games.
No, I didn't see that.
Baby B.
But I'm happy I found the mini.
Yay. Oh, wow. That's neat.
Yeah. It's like the old school little tiny ones, but it's huge.
Yeah. That's really cool. I really like that. Get it. I just think it looks cool, and I think other people will think it's cool too. Oh man, there's a vintage one. These are the ones that keep selling for me.
Well, you want me to grab it?
This one's called the Super Shooter. Super Shooter.
Super Shooter.
The Super Shooter
Shooter.
electronic
Super.
food gun. Yeah, I've sold in 2 or 3 of these now.
Oh,
Yeah, that
Yeah.
one definitely looks more vintage, but that's
For sure.
cool. But hey, if they're selling, why?
no. Okay.
Don't pass it up,
Tell them all you want because, you know, they don't make them like they used to.
right?
You know what I mean? Someone's like, man, I really love the old one that was dangerous. And
Right.
It worked really good.
Yeah. Chocolate pen. Ooh, a chocolate pen. Yum. What's that?
This is...
What does it say? Indiana Breadcraft? Oh, Indian
Yeah,
Breadcraft.
Indian. That's how they make their bracelets and stuff.
Wow, that's cool. This is neat. I'm just in one of those moods today. Oh, you're not gonna
Because it
say.
doesn't come with any of the beads
Oh, it does. Wow.
or any of the string or anything. It's just, you know, it's been,
I'm in
like,
one of those
opened
moods
and-
today where I'm just like, I like it, get it, because we've been on vacation for 2 weeks, and I'm ready to get my sourcing on.
I grabbed a bunch of goodies, not a problem, but I have to be the mind of reason.
No.
Mind of reason, like, wait, instead
No.
of investigate just a little bit more and see what this all comes with.
There's no reason. That's super cute. Say it yourself mug. So like if I'm not feeling it, I can just write F off on it, so then everybody knows to F off, right?
Yeah.
I mean, is that fair?
Yeah, that's fair. Except I don't think it would say F off, I think it would say F Mike.
Oh my Lanta.
Too bad they're broke.
Oh, you're so cute.
Little boys.
I have a bunch of these. How much do they sell them for? $1.70? I have tons of these things from China and Japan, and that actually came from there.
Yeah.
I'm sure that one might have at some point, but
Might have.
you know what I mean. I am attracted to clowns for some reason. I don't know what it is. I know. You know why? Because my mom put this creepy clown poster above my picture. It was in a picture frame above my bed when I was a kid. I swear, it looked creepy, but now I'm like attracted to clowns for some reason. Where's the uranium?
Oh, there's no uranium over here.
No uranium. Alright y'all, so I'm pretty excited about this haul. One item in particular, but let's go through everything quickly. I'm going to start with the Wii games. I got the Sonic, the Secret of the Rings, the Skylander, Swap and Force. I didn't get the NASCAR one because it was really scratched up. And these 2 already sold. And then we got the the mini. Disney stuff always sells pretty well. I have sold a few minis and Mickey plushes. Also, the Come With Me kitty harness and leash, that was just kind of a random one. I don't know if it's gonna sell, but I guess we're gonna find out how much or how popular pet supplies are on Facebook Market. And then I grabbed this little Turbo Whiplash toy. You can get these at Walmart, but they do sell on eBay for a little bit more. So I went and grabbed that. It was only $2.50, so why not? This guy here, the XCOM 2, it's really hard to see. It was almost impossible to take pictures for eBay, and I didn't want to open it because it's still sealed. Is the XCOM 2, not exactly sure what action figure this is or where it's from. But this guy was worth a pretty good amount of money too. And then we got the cute Toothless from the movie How to Train Your Dragon. It's still got the tag on, it's brand new. There's nothing wrong with it. It has expandable wings, and he's just awesome. I mean, look at it. And then I went ahead and I grabbed both of these shaving kits just because they were new in the package, and there was 2 of them. When I see multiples of something, I try to grab them and just kind of see how they go. I've never sold anything like this before, but hey, I'm gonna throw it up on Facebook Market and see what happens. You're not gonna know unless you try, right? Another good one was this iPhone Raton controller, wireless controller. We know tons of people with iPhones. We don't have iPhones. We're like the only ones that don't, I think. But I figure with all the people who have iPhones nowadays, this could be something that people who play games might really enjoy. I mean, I would definitely rather have a controller while I'm playing a game on my phone, especially if I'm gonna be on it for a little while, so. And then we got I think they're called pennant banners. They're just little souvenir banners. I used to collect these back in the day. I have sold the bigger versions. These ones are a little bit smaller. There was the Wyoming, the Air Force, the Wall Drug, and then the Kentucky. So yeah, just little souvenir banners, but collectibles. And last but not least, my BOLO. I was excited about this because I had been buying the newer versions of them, and I was getting about 20-25 bucks for them. But this is a vintage version, and that is the Super Shooter. And I know you guys see me grab this at the end of the video, but I had no idea how much a vintage one would be worth. So we ended up paying, I believe it was $3.60. So we're looking at, and the best part is all of the pieces are there. All the little shooter designs, the gun, the squisher dealie that pushes it out, I think, and then the tips. But everything that is supposed to be here is in here, which makes the value obviously even higher. There is no manual. A couple of them on eBay that did not have the manual sold for just a slightly bit lower, so I am going to lose a couple bucks without the manual. But regardless, we paid $3.60 and we're looking at, I think it was 80 to 100 bucks. And I did already test it out. It works. This is why you needed one of these plugs right by your work area. And the best part about that is when I was looking at the comps too, if you notice the dates, I mean, they're selling right now. So I don't know if it was just because of the holidays, so people were, you know, cooking and baking, you know, and all that good stuff. But they're selling, and there's some good money. So that was my BOLO for you guys. I was super excited about that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my videos. It means the world to me. You guys are the best. You're what keeps me going. And thank you so much again, and I'll see you on the next vid.